Ted Woodwork is a collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans and projects that have been marketed as a comprehensive solution for anyone, from beginner to advanced, to build a wide range of projects. However, despite being sold through ClickBank, this product has received numerous criticisms from some customers. Many customers have alleged that the plans and instructions provided are unclear, inaccurate, and incomplete, and some have even stated that the plans are not suitable for a beginner, despite being marketed as such. According to some customers, many of the plans included in the package have been found to be available for free on the internet, calling into question the value of the product. In light of these criticisms, it is important for prospective buyers to proceed with caution and to do their research before making a purchase. This video will examine the criticisms of Ted Woodwork and provide recommendations for those considering buying the product. What is included in Ted Woodwork? Ted Woodwork is said to include detailed plans and instructions for building furniture, home accessories, outdoor structures, and more. The Ted Woodwork plan is available through ClickBank, which is a well-known digital marketplace that specializes in the sale of informational products. ClickBank is known to be a popular platform for marketers to promote and sell their products due to its user-friendly interface and large network of affiliates. However, this also means that products sold on the platform, like Ted Woodwork plan, can sometimes be of low quality or overpriced. As a result, it is important to be cautious and do thorough research before making a purchase of any products online. Criticisms of Ted Woodwork product. As mentioned above, Ted Woodwork has received numerous criticisms from customers who have purchased the product. Some of the most common criticisms include unclear, inaccurate, and incomplete plans and instructions. Many customers have reported that the plans and instructions provided with the product are unclear, inaccurate, and incomplete. This can make it difficult for people to successfully complete the projects they set out to build. Not suitable for beginners despite marketing claims. Despite being marketed as suitable for beginners, many customers have reported that the plans are too advanced for someone who is just starting out in woodworking. Many plans available for free on the internet. A significant number of the plans included in the Ted Woodwork package have been found to be available for free on the internet, which calls into question the value of the product. In light of these criticisms, it is important for you as a prospective buyer to be cautious and to thoroughly research the product before making a purchase. This can help to ensure that you are getting a product that is of good quality and will meet your needs. Recommendations for prospective buyers. Prospective buyers of Ted Woodwork plans should proceed with caution and do their research before making a purchase. Here are some recommendations to consider. Read customer reviews. Before making a purchase, it is important to read reviews from other customers to get a better understanding of the quality of the product and whether it meets their needs. This can help to avoid disappointment and ensure that the product is a good fit for the buyer's needs. Research the product thoroughly. It is important to thoroughly research the product and the company behind it before making a purchase. This can help to ensure that the product is legitimate and of good quality, and can also provide valuable information on what to expect from the product. Consider the cost. It is important to consider the cost of the product in relation to its value and what it offers. This can help to determine whether the product is a good value and worth the investment. By following these recommendations, prospective buyers of Ted Woodwork product can make an informed decision and avoid being scammed or purchasing a low-quality product. Final thoughts. Ted Woodwork is a collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans and projects that have been marketed as a comprehensive solution for anyone to build a wide range of projects. Despite being sold through ClickBank, the product has received numerous negative feedback from customers. The plans and instructions provided are often reported to be unclear, inaccurate, and incomplete, and some plans are not suitable for beginners despite being marketed as such. Additionally, many of the plans included in the package have been found to be available for free on the internet, calling into question the value of the product. Prospective buyers should proceed with caution and thoroughly research the product before making a purchase. By reading customer reviews, researching the product thoroughly, and considering the cost in relation to its value, prospective buyers can make an informed decision and avoid being scammed or purchasing a low-quality product. In light of the criticisms of Ted Woodwork, it is important to be cautious and carefully evaluate the product to ensure that it meets your needs and expectations. It is fair to say that even though Ted Woodwork has some negative feedback, the product is still doing well on ClickBank. If you still want to purchase Ted Woodwork plans, you can access their official website by clicking on the link in the description below this video. thank you for watching this video to the end, and all the best in your decision with this product.